Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create arc effect to text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create arc effect to this text. Firstly write some text. Then select the text and go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Then click the word art effect text and go to the format menu. Then click text effect drop down menu. Then choose transform. Then find and select the arc effect. Here this arc effect and we apply this. Then resize the text box to see better this arc effect. Now we can see here we create arc effect to this text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.